Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, we will going to study on how to find the area of irregular figures made up of squares and rectangles. And we have this irregular shape. We have 3 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 8 centimeter sides. The given irregular shape is made up of squares and rectangles. So to find the area, we find the area of each figure separately, and number 2, add them to find the total area. So we need to know the formula of the area of the rectangle and square. So first we have the formula of area of rectangle, which is A is equal to L times W, or A is equal to length times the width. And then the formula of the area of the square is A is equal to S square, or A is equal to side square. Okay, now again, so this is our irregular figure or irregular shape. So this side measures 9 centimeter. And then we have the side of 3 centimeter. And this side is 8 centimeter. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 units, and then 1, 2, 3, okay, is 3 centimeter. And 4 to 8, we have 5 centimeter. Okay, so now we have 3 shapes. We have the first is the yellow, the pink, and the green. Okay, we have the yellow is the figure 1, which is square. Figure 2 is the pink, which is square. Figure 3 is a rectangle. So now we find the area of the 2 squares. To find the area of the 2 squares, we will going to use the formula of the area of the square, which is A is equal to S square, or A equals side square. Okay, so let's continue. We will going to find the area of the first figure and the second figure. Okay, we have the first is the yellow and the second one is the pink. And we use the formula, which is A is equal to S square, or A is equal to side square. First one, the given is the side, which is the side is equal to 3 centimeter. Then we will going to substitute the value of the side, which is 3 centimeter. Therefore, we have A is equal to 3 centimeter square. And the answer is 3 square is 9. Then centimeter is square. So therefore, the area of the first figure is 9 square centimeter. While the second figure, which is the pink, the given is the side, which is the side is equal to 3 centimeter. And we use the formula A is equal to S square. And substitute the side, which is 3 centimeter. Then 3 square is 9. Then we have centimeter square. So therefore, the area of the second figure is 9 square centimeter. And now let's find the area of the figure 3, which is rectangle. So we have the length of 9 centimeter and width of 5 centimeter. So we need to use the formula of the area of the rectangle, which is L times W, or the length times the width. So first we have the given length is equal to 9 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter. And then we use the formula A is equal to L times W. So we substitute the value of the length and the width. So A is equal to 9 centimeter times 5 centimeter. So 9 centimeter times 5 centimeter is 45 square centimeter. So again, the area of the third figure, which is rectangle, is 45 square centimeter. And now, to find the total area of the given irregular figure or irregular shape, we will going to add the area of 2 squares and 1 rectangle. We have the figure 1 plus the figure 2 plus figure 3. Figure 1 is square, figure 2 is also square, and figure 3 is rectangle. The area of the first square is 9 square centimeter plus the area of the second square is 9 square centimeter plus the area of the third figure, which is rectangle, is 45 square centimeter. Then we add 9 centimeter square or 9 square centimeter plus 9 square centimeter plus 45 square centimeter. The answer is 63 square centimeter. And that is the total area of the given irregular figure or irregular shape. Okay, so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.